how to open any program in your computer like a pro. So you start by pressing the window logo key together with letter R in your computer or in your keyboard. And then if you want to open Microsoft Word, you just type the word WinWord. So you can be able to open almost all program in this method. So if you want to open PowerPoint, so you place the window logo key together with letter R, and then you type the word PowerPNT. So you'll find that you can be able to open almost all program, provided that you know the name that the computer uses to identify that program. So for you to open Chrome, just follow the steps and then you type the word Chrome, and then you'll be able to see it will open. So provided that you can be able to know the name that computer uses to identify that program, you can open that program. For example, VLC, just type VLC, and then you'll be able to open that program. So thank you, and follow for more tutorials.